Hello, sir. It's Muhammad Ali, CEO of Alio Digital Solution, and I am a Google policy specialist. Here, in this video, I'm going to show you my recent another project. Actually, this client run a business. If I show you, this is my client business, and there is some government related businesses. So this Google account got disapproved for government documentation, and Alhamdulillah today is already I can approve all campaign. Now it's done successfully. So I am going to show you and I am going to discuss about this with you. So if you see that this is my client coolers account and this is my client business and if I show this mail, if I again refresh it, you can see that okay. So thank you for contact Google Ads regarding your ad warranty to other restricted business policy in the Google Ads 117518. And upon investigate, I was able to confirm that this campaign is C per F Max 22 and incorporation France Quebec are no longer liable for this policy. Okay. So if I go to this 117518 and if I showing this campaign, you can see there is lots of campaign that's run and if I filter you just show you the animal campaign right now, you can see that it's approved. Okay, and this ads run successfully. And if I show you the ad sector, you can see this incorporation enterprise, this campaign is eligible and it's run successfully. Okay, there is no any kind of disadvantage, and you can see the ads right now it's run successfully. And if I'm going to show you only last 40 days data, you can see from 29 November it's run successfully, and today is 2 December. Okay, so it means from the 29 it's start to performance. And if you see that, if I show you the today data, you can see it's right now performing more well. And you know that this campaign is still under be study learning period. So I hope when it's removed, then it will be done more well. And this Google Ads account got disapproved for government documentation. If I'm going to troubleshooting and policy manager, you can see the app in history. You can see there is lots to my client try lots of time. You can see lots of time only for fixing. Just see my client faced this issue from February 27. Okay, so she tried multiple time and unable to uh, approve it, and this is failed. So there are some successful, but further again got disapproved because they don't make it manually. So only make an appeal from this sector is not a solution, is not a permanent solution. Okay. So when client knock me, then I'm working on this case. Now it's permanently fixed. And you can see that in the policy issue, there is no any CAD that are disapproved. And it's a site link issue and it's not a big deal. It's a simple issue. Easily it can be removed. So if I show you this, that to you can see this running perfectly. So now come to the point. Government document and services issue is a very hard issue in Google's platform. Actually, when there are some business that is related to the government, in that kind of businesses, uh, Google always mark it as the government document and services issue. You have all valid document, further Google reject you. So I am Google policy specialist. I know how to approve your ads. We know the step and we know about Google policy well, so that we can working on this case and we can make it approved. So if you see that there is lots of business that make this kind of issue. If I give you some talk or give you some example as like passport, travel visa, or trusted traveler, or driver license, and also there is many issue. There is license plate number. Also, there is a resident lotteries. There's lots of reason where we need to work, and that's why it's very important to fix your issue. And if you are as like you have an agency or you have some businesses where you need to work, and that's why it's very important. Okay, because I know you are not linked with you're directly linked with government, but Google make it disapproved. So it's very hard to working on those services, and it's also very hard to still working or still stay on the Google Ads platform, because without advertising it's not possible to get more customers. So that's why if you face these kinds of issue, feel free to knock us. We are always ready for you to make it approved. So that's the normal discussion in this video. So if you face this kind of issue, feel free to knock us. We are always ready to give our best services to you. And in this video, you know that we only take our fee when you successfully recover your or successfully approve your ads. Until approvers, we don't take your full amount. So that will be a plus point for you. And we are always ready for provide our best services for you. So we are waiting for your message. If you face any kinds of Google Ads disapprove issue or any kinds of Google Ads suspension, feel free to knock us. We are always ready for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm waiting for your message. Thank you, sir.